Hey guys, and welcome to our new headquarters here in Hamilton, New Jersey. We are located on the second floor at 4 AAA Drive. Well, come on in. Let me show you around. Here's our welcoming reception area, and we make sure our guests feel welcome and comfortable. Hi, how are you doing today?
Hey, doing good.
Okay, let's go check out the conference room. We use this space for team meetings, kickoffs, huddles, as well as our Micronetbd education training, as what we have here is everything begins with an idea. All right, next I'm going to take you to the open workspace. We got our Salesforce, our DocuSign developers, architects, programs, as well as operations. This space is airy and bright with an open concept design great for collaboration. They're usually working with their teams, so they can turn to the right or left and ask their colleagues a question. Okay, let's keep moving.
Hi, I'm Amanda, a Salesforce developer with expertise in Health Cloud. We recently solved major issues in the Health Cloud department, such as efficiency gaps in the collection and sharing of information that led to delays in their healthcare workflow. Micronetbd designed a platform where medical providers can add appointment information to a Salesforce community portal. We also created a doctor directory that allows the agents to send referrals based on doctor location via geolocation API. Then we utilized a tool that allows real-time delivery to paralegals so they can communicate with medical providers regarding any update on the claim status. Because of this, real-time update on appointment attendance increased by 100% and decreased in referral handling time by 90%. If you're interested in hearing more about Health Cloud or want to see a demo, contact Micronetbd today.
We got a cute playroom here where kids can play freely. The idea behind this room is that some of our clients visit us from time to time with their families, and our employees will bring their kids to some of our events as well. We are very much like a family here. We want all the kids to play together. So, kids are welcome at our office.
Hi, my name is Joe. I am a DocuSign programmer analyst at Micronetbd, and I manage one of our key accounts for DocuSign. What I like about DocuSign is how complete and well-rounded it feels as a product. We were heavy into development last summer, around 70 templates and 8 workflows built just for one client in the financial services sector. We successfully launched last October and are seeing thousands of contracts being generated monthly with minimal issues.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a Salesforce project manager and architect here with expertise in Litify. I help legal firms to streamline their process, improve their workflow, and overall increase their productivity using Litify. Just a few weeks back, we successfully implemented a Litify solution to one of the top firms in the market. Now they can manage their cases in one centralized platform, automate their marketing efforts, and generate insights from their data to make the best informed business decisions. Get the competitive edge you need in the legal industry with Micronetbd, all at a competitive price point.
Hey, I'm Donovan, a Salesforce project manager for the financial and lending services sector here at Micronetbd. During tax season last year, Micronet has created a centralized way of tracking clients' yearly tax information, from booking appointments to receiving documents and after-tax steps. We also started collecting surveys from clients to improve quality of service and constructed potential revenue tracking. To ensure that the data is accurate, up-to-date, and organized, we constructed a database cleanup. With this database cleanup, the data in Salesforce is organized and comprehensive in order to build complex reports for your stakeholders.
We are now in the CPO Room. Hi, Dr. Sayota.
Hi, welcome to our new office.
She's our Chief Planning Officer. She mainly handles corporate strategy, planning, and marketing. So pretty much, she's the heart of Micronetbd.
So we are excited to share with you our office space and show you what it's like to work here at Micronetbd. Our office is a reflection of our company's culture, value, and our commitment to providing a positive and productive environment for our employees. Our employees are the heart of our company, and we're proud to offer them a supportive, dynamic, and fun environment in which to work. Our culture is centered around teamwork, continuous learning, and a commitment to delivering the best possible products and services to our clients.
What a great office, Dr. Soda.
Thank you.
So, let's walk over to the CEO room. Hey, George. I don't want to disturb you.
Not at all. Come on in. Welcome to our office. I'm George Ayub, the CEO of Micronet. We're proud to be a leading provider of innovative IT solutions for over 10 years. The continuous support from our partners and clients have enabled us to be a top Salesforce and DocuSign service provider. We strive to create an environment that fosters collaboration, innovation, and excellence. I want you to get a sense of our unique culture and the people who make it so special. Our employees are the driving force behind our success. We are proud to offer them a dynamic, supportive, and fun atmosphere where they can work and succeed. I want all people, whether they're here for a meeting or just stopping by, I want them to feel the energy and excitement that are hallmarks of this company. I believe the environment, combined with the skills and professionalism and dedications of our team, is what sets Micronet apart in the industry. Have you seen the media, marketing, and recreation area?
Oh, yes. The media, marketing, and recreation area. Let's go take a look. Looks like there's a game of tennis and darts going on. Over here, you can see our state-of-the-art media and marketing studio, where we produce videos, podcasts, and other multimedia content. We also have a section with comfortable seating and games. This space is so our employees can sit back, relax, and have some fun. We think it's very important that our employees have a healthy, well-balanced work environment. We think you will find this a very unique and enjoyable place of our office. Now, let's go take a look at my favorite place of the office, our kitchen. As you can see, it is fully equipped with everything you need. Or you could just grab a snack. We believe it's very important to maintain that healthy work-life balance.
Hey there. I'm Matt, a Salesforce and Litify project manager for Micronetbd, handling the real estate division. If you have challenges such as poor marketing strategy, low conversion rate, inefficient lead generation, lack of business creativity, or a disorganized communication system, Micronetbd has the solution for you. Just recently, we received full praises from one of our clients from real estate. We automated a Salesforce-powered CRM to send basic communications such as SMS, email, and mailer, all in one application. This means the client increased efficiency and process effectiveness by not executing the communications manually based on the predefined plan each customer has. If you want to experience a seamless project implementation and a one-of-a-kind solution tailored to your needs, reach out to Micronetbd now.
At Micronetbd, we develop your business.